AutoCAD LT now includes AutoLISP. AutoLISP allows for the streamlining of workflows and enforcement of CAD standards through automation. Thousands of previously written programs can be leveraged. Once you find a program you want to run, go to the Manage tab. Click Load Application or use the command appload. Select your .lsp file and load. It is that easy. AutoCAD LT supports AutoLISP source files ending with .lsp, fast-load AutoLISP files ending with .fas, and Visual Lisp application files ending with .vlx.